Hi, in this video, I'm going to look at an integral problem, which is quite easy, but the idea has been asked several times in JEE Advanced. So the first time a question like this appeared was in JEE 2002, and since then it has been asked multiple number of times. So let's look at this. If the curve f of x is equal to integral x to the power 27 1 plus x squared to the power 6 and 6x squared plus 5x plus 4 dx passes through the point 0 comma 0, then you have to find the value of find f of 1 and f of minus 1. So technically this is a simple integration problem. Once you can do the integral, you will be able to get the integration constant by noting that the curve passes through 0 comma 0, right? And then you will know the full function. So the idea is to try to integrate this. So fx is equal to integral of x to the power 27, 1 plus x squared to the power 6, and 6x squared plus 5x plus 4 dx. So this type of problem has been asked before, and here you have to decide what is the appropriate grouping of terms so that you can use a substitution correctly, or you can use a good substitution, right? This problem has to be solved by the substitution method. There is no other way in which it can be done easily, right? So here we can see that the power here is 6 and the power here is 27. So what you can immediately realize is you can take some powers of x into the bracket, right? However, if you do that, you can do something like this: x to the power 24, 1 plus x squared to the power 6, and x cube is here, 6x squared plus 5x plus 4. So this is the first thing that I'm trying. I'm going to include this x power 24 and make it go into this bracket, the first bracket. If x power 24 is taken inside you should get a x power 4 inside, because the whole thing here is raised to the power 6. So you will get x power 4 times 1 plus x square whole to the power 6, right? And outside you have 6x cube and 6x square plus 5x plus 4. And now let's think about this term. This term is becoming x power 4 plus x power 5 plus x power 6 whole to the power 6, right? And then you have, if you multiply x cube with this, you will get 6x power 5 plus 5x power 4 plus 4x cube, right? Now, why is this good? This particular split of the x power 27 works because now you can take this as your variable t. So x power 6 plus x power 5 plus x power 4 can be taken as t, and therefore 6x power 5 plus 5x power 4 plus 4x power 3 dx will be your dt, right? And notice that this term is already present here. So basically the integral becomes fx is equal to t to the power 6 dt, and therefore it is t power 7 by 7. And what was my t? My t was this quantity. So your f of x is x to the power 6 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 whole to the power 7 divided by 7 plus c. And now the question has already told us that it passes through the point 0 comma 0, which means f of 0 is equal to 0, which implies if you put 0 here, you'll get c is equal to 0. So finally, you come up with the answer. F of x is x power 6 plus x power 5 plus x power 4 divided by 7, and this numerator is raised to the power of 7 also, right? From here, we can find out f of 1. F of 1 is clearly going to be 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 power 7 by 7. And f of minus 1 is going to be 1 plus 1 minus 1. So 1 by 7, right? So that becomes your solution for this problem. Now, why am I discussing this? Because in JEE Advanced 2002, this type of problem was asked. The question was something like this: 1 plus x power m plus x power 3m. And there was another bracket with powers of x power m. And you had to include, there was some x power 4m or something here outside. And you had to take some power in this and some power in this. And then it became a integral that can be done by substitution. So it's the same idea here, and such questions have been asked before. So you need to know this trick and be able to recognize that there is no other way to solve this problem other than rearranging the power somehow in order to make the method of substitution work. So I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you next time with the next problem.